Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be showing you guys a really cute makeup look. I'm so inspired by spring and how the sun is shining and it's getting warmer outside. Finally seeing the light at the end of the self-quarantine stay home tunnel. What better way than to play around with some makeup and just get inspired? I'm partnering up with LookFantastic and I'm just gonna bring you all things spring. So all the things I'm using in this tutorial will be available at LookFantastic and I will link it down in the description box. Okay, now that our skincare is prepped, we're gonna dive right into the complexion products. I'm gonna go in with some primer. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Vitamin Glow Primer. I quite like this actually. It has some vitamin C in there and it smells very citrusy. Don't you just love when you go back to your favorite products and you forget how much you absolutely love it? And it's just like the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation is just my all-time favorite. My winter shade is Barcelona and my summer shade is Syracuse. I'm just gonna mix the two since I haven't really gone out and had any sun love. So I'm just gonna do one pump of this and oops. Before I put on my foundation, I'm gonna go in with some corrector and I'm gonna be using the Instant Anti-Age Eraser Maybelline. I love this corrector. I'm using the color Caramel. It's more of like an orangey undertone. And this one is a fresh one because I'm all out of my last one. I'm just going to correct my dark circles and hyperpigmentation. This is my favorite drugstore concealer. I don't usually do this, but because I'm going for a bright eyeshadow, I'm just going to correct my eyelids as well. I usually keep my eyelids quite bare on an everyday basis. Just because it's like I have a dark circle going all the way around and it sort of looks like I have a smoky eye. I'm gonna go in with a damp sponge and just blend that all out. And that dark spot is like pretty much gone. I'm then gonna go in with the two foundations and just go right on top. Now that I've applied the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation, everything is quite even. I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer. I'm gonna be mixing the shade Warm Sand and Golden Beige. I'm gonna set everything in place and I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder, the OG of setting powders. And I'm just gonna lock everything in. There's no need to torture you guys with concealer lips. We're gonna get that out. Okay, so while that bakes, I'm gonna go and prime my eyelids. I'm using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. And I wanna completely neutralize my lids so the color really pops. I'm just gonna go in with my finger and just blend that out. And then I'm gonna go in with a clean part of the sponge and just buff out any edges. I'm so excited to use this NARS palette. I've been wanting to use it for so long. I got this NARS Afterglow palette and I'm so excited to dive into this because this is the vibe. These two pink colors with a splash of coral. Now that my lids are completely neutralized, I'm gonna go in with the NARS eyeshadow palette. I'm first gonna go in with this color right here, which is a matte corally orangey. Kind of looks like an orange popsicle. And I'm just gonna wash this right on my crease. I love using a crease color first because that's where I crease more. There's a lot of creases used in this sentence. But yeah, that's where I crease the most. So when I go in with a like crease color first, it kind of sets the whole mood of where this eyeshadow is going and also kind of powders the area where it would crease. I'm gonna go in with a little more and mix it with this matte brown and just kind of drag that down my crease. Can we just... Oh, it's so pretty. It's like an iridescent pink with little flecks of like purple holographic. It's just so pretty. I'm gonna go in with this pink color, pack it on my brush and just... I'm gonna go in with some liner, and I'm gonna be using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner just to give me a more cat eye. I'm using my Smashbox Cali Contour Palette, which is my favorite blushing contour palette. It's just perfect for every day. The pigmentation's perfect. This nice light color is good for like dusting off any extra. I'm gonna take this light palette and just carve back my jawline. Okay, so a blush that I'm super excited to try because it's just the type of blush that I like to reach for. A gingery, orangey, bronze blush. You get my drift. So I'm just gonna go in and perfect for spring. And this is from Bare Minerals and it's in the color Let's Go Nude. Such a pretty color. It's like more of a deeper coral, if you know what I mean. We're going to be putting on some Ardell Wispies. These are also sold at LookFantastic, and these are like the OG of lashes. I don't know about you, but this is the lash that I've been using since I started wearing makeup. If you really scroll back to all my really old videos, you'd see that these are the lashes that came clutch. Oh my gosh. And it comes with just an itty bitty, oh my god, it's so cute and tiny lash. I'm going to line my lips with NARS Precision Lip Liner in the color Morocco. Such a pretty nude. I can actually line my lips without a mirror perfectly. It's just one of the skills I'm just kidding. No, I really can. It's really weird. And last but not least, I'm going to put on a gloss. This is the NARS Velvet Lip Glide in Swing. And I'm gonna go right on top. This lip combo is so spring, but still subtle. Now you actually can go in with some matte brown eyeshadow that we use on our crease and just lightly smoke out the bottom, but I like to keep the bottom of my lash line quite bare just because I like the whole lifted eye effect. Lastly, this product is super good for creating that wet highlight look. And because I've completely mattified the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with the Ciat Dew Stick. And I actually I love this product, especially if you don't want to wear any makeup, you want something very light, throw on a tinted moisturizer, add this to the high points of your face, and it just gives you this beautiful wet glow. Perfect for spring and summer. And I like this product because it actually doesn't move the foundation and the concealer around too much. Like it does its job without ruining your makeup. If you really want to pop, you can put this on and then layer it with your favorite highlighter. But this alone does enough highlight for me. So it also has its own like little flecks of shimmer. And there you go, guys, a beautiful spring meets summer makeup look, a nice pop on the eyes, a beautiful nude lip color. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make a delicious stuffed chicken, one of my favorites. You can find all these products in the description box down below. You can shop all these products at lookfantastic.com. I will leave a link down in the description box for you guys to check that out. Yeah, stay tuned.